What is going on, everybody? Logan here for a new video. Now, a few days ago, I was in a forum on Facebook and I was just talking to everybody about just general insurance prices, and the conversation came up, why do guys typically pay more for their insurance than women? Now, why we typically pay more for insurance, and it varies from county to county, just depending on your location and your threat level to, getting a wreck or your car gets stolen or anything like that. But guys typically pay more for insurance because we tend to be a little bit more reckless with our cars. Our claim numbers are higher and our ticket numbers are higher. And really, numbers don't lie. Insurance companies, they can't just charge one group of people higher rates just because they feel like it. Now, one thing I want to make clear though is that it's younger guys. 16 to 24, we're always going to have a higher interest rate than 25 or older, because they assume that once you're 25, you've gotten most of the reckless driving, all the shenanigans out of you. So you tend to drive a little bit safer. You're going to start a family. So that's why once we turn 25, our insurance rate goes significantly down. Which honestly, I agree with it and I don't agree with it. I agree with it because, yeah, numbers don't lie, and yes, there are a bunch of stupid guys, younger guys driving on the road, heck, even older guys. But at the same time, I don't agree with it because I think that everyone should start out at the same rate, because I'm 23 years old and I've never gotten a ticket, not a speeding ticket, no moving infraction or anything. So insurance companies, they're looking at me with a clean driving record. They view me as more of a threat than a female 23-year-old with a few tickets. Now, when you're looking at a 30-year-old woman versus a 30-year-old man, they're roughly going to pay the same amount in insurance. So it's just, younger guys, we're the ones that pay significantly more than women. Like I said, I think it should start out at a even playing field. And, once you accumulate tickets or claims or anything like that, that is when the rate should go up. It shouldn't start out as, just because we're dudes that we pay significantly more, because trust me, starting out with this car right here, I was, maybe like $350 a month just for this right here, full coverage. It's gone down over $100 since I was 19. I'm 23 now, but if I would have just gotten one ticket, I would be looking, I don't even want to imagine what I'd be paying in insurance. I know that some of my friends with, newer Mustangs, they're paying close to about $450 a month just in insurance, which that's a whole car payment, and a huge car payment at that. So yeah, that is why younger guys typically pay more for insurance than women. But let me know what y'all think down below. Is it, acceptable for guys to pay significantly more even with a clean driving record? Because, hey, how many times have you been driving to work in the morning and you see that female over in in traffic putting on her makeup, texting? Because that is one thing I see, is a lot of distracted women driving more than guys. But that's just my 2 cents on, guys paying more for insurance than women. And I will be doing another video probably here in the next few days of how much I pay exactly for insurance, what I used to pay. I'm gonna break down everything, because surprisingly, a lot of people, they've been asking me, what is the the running cost for a Mustang GT, which I know it's not significantly high, and it's mainly younger kids who are just getting into the car world. They're seeing how much I pay for insurance, running cost, gas, all that kind of stuff. So I'll make a video here in a few days, kind of breaking down everything. But guys, I really do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and please subscribe. And as always, have a great day.